Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Thursday, July 23rd, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed mixed on Wednesday as investors digested earnings from major technology companies, while higher oil prices and rising Treasury yields kept sentiment cautious. The Dow Jones ended nearly unchanged. The S&P 500 slipped 0.1%, and the Nasdaq Composite fell 0.6%, with weakness in software and AI-related stocks offsetting gains in parts of the semiconductor sector. Markets also reacted to earnings from Alphabet and Tesla, while geopolitical tensions in the Middle East continued to support energy stocks. Asian markets are trading mostly higher today as investors took cues from Wall Street's resilience and optimism surrounding continued AI-related investments, despite elevated oil prices and ongoing Middle East tensions. Japan's Nikkei is up around 0.7%. South Korea's Kospi has gained over 3%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng is trading modestly higher, supported by technology and financial stocks as investors focus on corporate earnings and the U.S. interest rate outlook. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 23,864, thereby indicating a negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading higher after fresh U.S. strikes on Iran and attacks on oil tankers in the Red Sea heightened concerns over supply disruptions. Although OPEC Plus has increased production, escalating geopolitical tensions continue to keep a significant risk premium in oil prices. Gold prices are trading firm, supported by a softer U.S. dollar, continued safe haven demand amid Middle East tensions, and expectations that the Federal Reserve could keep interest rates unchanged at its upcoming meeting. However, elevated bond yields are limiting sharper gains in the precious metal. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories reported a weak first quarter, with net profit falling nearly 69% year-on-year to 444 crore rupees, while revenue declined 5.5% to 8,100 crore rupees. The sharp drop in profitability, along with EBITDA margins contracting to 10.6%, reflects pressure on earnings during the quarter. IndusInd Bank posted a strong first quarter, with net profit rising 46.5% year-on-year to 1,003 crore rupees, supported by stable growth in net interest income. The bank also improved its asset quality, with both gross and net NPA ratios declining sequentially, indicating continued progress in managing stressed assets. Sona BLW Precision Forgings has partnered with Japan's DENSO Corporation to establish two joint ventures focused on developing and manufacturing advanced electric and hybrid powertrain systems. The collaboration is expected to strengthen the company's presence in the fast-growing EV and hybrid mobility segment, while expanding its global technology capabilities. Following mixed cues from the U.S. markets, rise in crude prices as well as gains seen in semiconductor-heavy Asian indices, Nifty is expected to open in the red today. As such, levels need to be adjusted downwards, with supports now being at 23,865, followed by 23,795, while resistances may be placed at 23,965, followed by 24,050. Range-bound trading at lower levels may be expected today, with chances of a reversal close to the latter support level. Indian markets may remain volatile due to the ongoing Q1 earnings season, elevated crude oil prices, Middle East geopolitical tensions, uncertainty over the U.S. Federal Reserve's policy outlook, FII flows, rupee movement, and stock-specific earnings reactions. Strong Q1 earnings, continued government spending, healthy corporate investments, resilient macroeconomic indicators, stable U.S. interest rate expectations, and any easing in crude oil prices or geopolitical tensions could support investor sentiment and Indian equities. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 819 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers of around 418 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on July 23, 2026. As always, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.